In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a workspace in Goodday. Archiving a workspace is really useful when you're done with a project or a team space, but you don't want to delete anything permanently. It helps keep your account clean and organized, while still allowing you to restore things later if you ever need them. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by opening Goodday and going to the main workspaces area. Here, you'll see a list of all the workspaces you have access to. Take a moment to identify the workspace you want to archive. This might be a completed project, an old department space, or anything that's no longer in active use. Be sure you're choosing the correct one, because once it's archived, it will no longer appear in your everyday workspace list. When you're ready, click to select that specific workspace so that it opens. With your chosen workspace open, look for the Settings option. This is usually found in the top area of the workspace interface, often represented by a gear icon or clearly labeled as Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a panel or page with different configuration options for that particular workspace, including permissions, details, and other management tools. Think of this as the control center for how your workspace behaves. Within the Settings view, look for the option labeled Archive. This is the feature that will allow you to safely hide the workspace from active use without deleting its data. Click on Archive. At this point, Goodday wants to make sure you're not doing this by accident, so it will prompt you with a confirmation message. You'll now see a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to archive the workspace. This is your chance to double check that you're working on the right workspace and that everyone on your team is finished using it. If you're confident that archiving is the right action, go ahead and click Yes. Once you confirm, the workspace will be archived. It will disappear from your active list, making your workspace view cleaner and easier to navigate. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully archived a workspace in Goodday, helping keep your environment focused only on what's current, while safely preserving your past